Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Gardening lovers, gather round. These plants could be the villains in your cucumber story. First up, potatoes. Think of them as the drama queens of the garden, spreading blight faster than gossip. Sage and mint? Their strong scents are like that one friend who wears too much cologne, overpowering and stunting your cucumber's growth. Melons, while delicious, are the nutrient hogs of the garden, leaving cucumbers hungry and hangry. Beware of brassicas like broccoli and cabbage. They're like the party crashers who bring uninvited pests to the cucumber party. Aromatic herbs like rosemary and oregano can deter friendly pollinators, like that one friend who scares away all the cool people. Sunflowers may look beautiful but can overshadow your cucumbers, like the tall person who always sits in front of you at the movies. Finally, pumpkins. They're the garden bullies, hogging resources and attracting pests like a magnet. By avoiding these plant pairings, you can create a healthier, more productive garden for your cucumbers to thrive. Happy gardening!